How to delete character AI account. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to delete your character AI account. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, let's just open up the character AI app, and then once you're here, what you want to do is just go to your profile, and then once you're in your profile, what you want to do from here is just click on the settings icon. So just click on that, and then once you're here, what you want to do is just scroll down until you see remove account. Then after that, what you want to do is just press on remove account, and then after that, character AI will ask you, are you sure about this? You lose everything: characters associated to your account, chats, the love that we shared, likes, messages, posts, and the memories we have together. This action cannot be undone. So if you are sure that you want to delete your character AI account, what you want to do is to just simply type in your username, and then once you're done typing your username, you just click on remove account, and then you'll be automatically signed out in character AI. And then you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to delete your character AI account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.